This is Invisible Friends in 1 minute. Invisible Friends is a collection of 5,000 colourful character costumes created by Swedish illustrator and animator Markus Magnusson. Although individual and unique, these NFTs all have one thing in common. The main character is invisible. So far, we've only seen a sneak peek of these high-quality animated NFTs, but it looks like a broad range of characters will be available. Markus has built up quite a reputation over the years with his high-quality graphics and animations, working with companies like Google and Dropbox to create content. He now runs animation classes and workshops to help share his talent and creative tips. Invisible Friends is also part of the Random Character Collective, a group that encourages well-known animators to produce a collection of characters. Both Random Characters and Invisible Friends have impressive followings on social media, with Twitter and Discord numbers in the hundreds of thousands. Let us know in the comments below what you think about Invisible Friends. As always, do your own research and follow us for more.